Hey friends, and welcome back to And Then There Was Style, your YouTube home decor channel. Don't forget to subscribe to become part of our home decor family. Now, are you ready for something bold, something in your face? Are you ready for a black accent wall in your home? If so, this video is definitely for you. And if you're not, well, you just may be after you watch this video. So what is the easiest and most cost-effective way to just completely transform a room? You got it, paint. It's way easier than wallpaper. Doesn't take the expertise that wallpaper does. And it gives you this really impactful, trendy, and bold outcome, depending on how you paint it. But if you want to go for something that truly makes an impact, that's truly trendy, yet it stays the test of time, and it's bold, it's in your face, well, you need to go for a black accent wall. Now, on its own, the thought of painting with black can be kind of daunting, really, a little overwhelming. You just kind of think to yourself, this could go terribly wrong, especially if you're already just the teensiest bit paint phobic. Black is very dramatic, it's very eye-catching. So it can be a paint shade that those lacking in the decorating confidence department may look at and think, I would never in my life, in my home. But if you see something you love, especially when it's something that's really easy to tackle, go for it. You know, nothing builds decorating confidence like trying things out. And even if it's not for you, it's just an accent wall. You can easily overpaint it, maybe throw on some primer, depending on what color paint you want to repaint it, but at least you can say that you tried. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Just a little bit of inspiration for you. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. Alright friends, I hope you have enjoyed that video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with other home decor lovers, and of course, subscribe to the channel. If you want to see a little more, check out one of these two videos, and I will see you in the next video. Bye friends.